Hi, thanks for joining me in this video. This video will be discussing C11 work visas. This visa is particularly for applicants who want to enter Canada and potentially open up their own business. It's a bit different than the ICT work permit, so do watch those videos. ICT work permits is when you have a company outside of Canada and you also want an affiliate or subsidiary in Canada. A C11 doesn't require that. A C11 is reserved for individuals who want to open up a brand new business as self-employed or join an existing venture. Potentially you have a friend or family member that owns a business that you would like to take part of. When you do a C11, make sure that the shares are minimum 33.3% in your favor. The higher the number of shares you get, the better. If you are a sole practitioner or a sole proprietor, then of course you'll be considered 100% owner. When you're looking at a C11 work visa, the officers look at the type of benefits this type of employment will bring to Canadians. They look at economic benefits, they look at social benefits, and they look at cultural benefits. So what does that mean? Well, everyone knows what economic benefits are. These are benefits to Canadian citizens and permanent residents, not necessarily to the company and the applicant that has received the C11 work permit. So an economic benefit would be, for example, job creation. If you can demonstrate in your business plan that my company or my involvement in this existing company will create X amount of jobs for Canadian citizens, make sure you emphasize that in your business plan. Very likely that in your first year of working with the company, there'll be no benefits. A lot of new startup companies end up being in a deficit. Emphasize that in your business plan as to when the benefits, economic benefits, will start to trickle in for the Canadians. So if you have a business plan, try to extend it to a 5-year business plan versus a 3-year business plan. Show the first year business being yourself as the only employee, and then gradually you'll be hiring 1 Canadian, 2 Canadians, and so forth and so forth. Try not to be too aggressive in your business plan in regards to how many Canadians you intend to hire, because the revenue that the company generates has to match that. So for example, in your first year, your company may just make $20,000 revenue. And so to state that you will hire 5 Canadian employees will not be believable. As far as the social benefits, this is more addressing community stuff. What kind of social benefits will be available if this company is opened up in your community, or if you join this existing company? An example would be a business such as teaching piano lessons to minor children. This could be a social benefit to minor children. So try to come up with a business plan that allows for some social benefits. Perhaps you'll be entering some charity work. Perhaps you'll be investing into some after-hour school programs. Anything that could be related to the business or something that you can add on to bring the community together. Emphasize that in your business plan. Lastly is the cultural benefits. The cultural benefits are related to your designations, your awards received, peer recognition, anything that demonstrate that you are recognized in the community, and culturally you can integrate this to the benefits of that community. So again, make sure it's related to the business. If, for example, your business is in the IT, perhaps you have won some awards in this industry. How are you going to then take that recognition and give that benefit to a Canadian citizen? How are you going to transfer your knowledge to the next generation? So economic, social, and cultural. Many business owners, when they apply for the C11 work permit, emphasize greatly on the economic benefits, but just focusing on the economic benefits can result in a refusal into the application. Divide your business plan into 3 big categories: economic, social, and cultural, and emphasize. Now, of course, it's easier to focus on the economic than it is cultural and social, but omitting that altogether can give the officer a greater reason for your refusal. If you're struggling with the business plan or with how to create that C11 work visa, do give us a call. We're here to help. Thank you, and until next time.